We are starting part 4, which is table options. We have explored some table options even by now, but we are going in detail on table options in this section. So you know there's a separate menu button to access table options. Once you click that, you will get this top table option window or a dialog. Then you can interact with this interface to change your table options. Using table options, you can modify your pivot table to great extent and improve its appearance. So pivot table options are a very important set of functions in pivot table. Pivot table options. Having said that, now we are moving to demonstration of part 4, that is pivot table options. So already I have demonstrated. So here, this is the options menu. Then you can click on this to access pivot table options. You have a large set of pivot table options. Out of these all options, we already have applied hide empty column and hide empty rows. So no need to discuss that further. It's very simple. If I untick that, you can see all the empty rows and columns here and there, which make it difficult to read your table. So if you hide all empty columns and empty rows, so you will end up with a very simple table filled with data. So somebody may be interested to know the totals in this pivot table. So totals are of two types. You can have column totals here and row totals here. So those are column and row totals. And also you can add subtotals. Like for 2017, you can add a subtotal, column subtotal, sorry, row subtotal. Or 2018, again, you can have a subtotal. Very easy. So let me select options, show column totals, show row totals, and show column subtotals, and show row subtotals. So you have subtotal rows and a general total. So this is how you are adding column and row subtotal. So further exploring these options here, organization units, okay. If you are presenting this table to a crowd who are not very familiar with these facilities, they don't know where these facilities are from. So it's a good idea to show them if you click this show hierarchy here and update, then instead of showing just the name of the organization unit, it will show the entire hierarchy. So our dispensary in bird district, in animal region, in training land. So the entire address is here. So this is important if you are dealing with the crowd who are not well aware of this facility. You can add a table title. You can add a table title. Say table title should be HIV tests performed during last 3 years. So likewise, you have to clearly add the title consisting of So let me check the organic dimension you used. Facilities in bird district. So shall we add that also? Okay. HIV test performed during last 3 years in facilities in bird district. So you can add that title. So title appears here. And what else? And we can legend we discuss later. And you can change the style, display density. So if you need some more comfortable spacing, you can increase the spacing with display density. Now spacers, cell padding increased. And you can size from normal to small or large. Now I have large fonts. So let me untick this to make it little clearer. Okay, now and these aggregation types and now discuss later. So that is it for the part 4 demonstration, and now we concluded the demonstration for part 4, which is pivot table options.